One camera can lie, two can miss the details, but 4 channels catch everything. Today, we're looking at the absolute best 4-channel dash cams to give you 360 degrees coverage of your vehicle. Let's find out which one belongs on your windshield. Botslab 3K4 Channel Dash Cam. Upgrade your driving security with the advanced 4-channel dash cam. With a 170 degrees front camera, dual 120 degrees side and 150 degrees rear, you've got complete 560 degrees coverage that leaves no blind spots unmonitored. Smart voice control, built-in GPS, and 24 hours parking monitoring provide complete protection. With pre-collision recording and a durable supercapacitor, this dashcam is built for total peace of mind. Coming up at number 2, Ilwey 4-channel dash cam. Capture every angle of the road with the Ilwey dash cam. Featuring 4 cameras with full 360-degree coverage, crystal clear recording, and a large 3-inch IPS display, it delivers complete driving protection. Built-in Wi-Fi enables fast video transfers, while smart G-sensor emergency recording and 24-hour parking monitoring keep your vehicle secure. Durable supercapacitor technology ensures reliable performance in extreme weather conditions year-round. At number 3, Vantrue 4-channel dash cam. Take vehicle security to the next level with the Vantrue 4-channel dash cam. Enjoy true 360-degree coverage with stunning 2.7K recording, StarVist 2 night vision, and crystal clear cabin and rear monitoring. GPS tracking, voice control, and 24 hours buffered parking mode provide complete protection. With support for up to 1 terabyte storage and extreme weather durability, it's the ultimate driving companion. Number 4, Pruveeo 4-channel dash cam. Protect every side of your vehicle with this advanced 4-camera dashcam system, featuring full 360-degree 1080 pixels recording, adjustable viewing angles, GPS tracking, and built-in Wi-Fi. It keeps you connected and protected at all times. Superior night vision captures clear footage in darkness, while parking mode and collision lock safeguard critical evidence. Easy installation and battery-free design ensure reliable performance year-round. And number 5, Neideso Dash Cam. Drive with confidence using the Neideso Dash Cam. Featuring up to 4K recording and full 360-degree coverage, it captures every detail inside and outside your vehicle. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi let you track routes and instantly share footage through the mobile app. Advanced night vision, voice control, G-sensor emergency recording, and 24-hour parking monitoring provide reliable protection wherever your journey takes you. That wraps up the ultimate 4-channel protection. Complete peace of mind is just a click away in the description. Subscribe for more, and drive smart.